Hey guys, welcome back. I'm a DC Gunner, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about something that can happen to us all. If you're a watch guy, it can happen to you. Something that happened to my watch, and I got this old Seiko 5. This is my first automatic watch that I have, and I absolutely love this watch. However, I haven't been wearing it. I haven't been giving it a lot of wrist time. It basically was in my drawer with other stuff, with other watches. And the other day, like 5-6 days ago, I decided to give it a go, give it a little spin. And I wore it for like a half an hour, and it gained so much time that it was really unwearable. It was recently serviced, so I take good care of my watch, so I know it's not something else. And I suspected the watch might be magnetized, and I took a little test. You need a little compass. It's easy to weigh, and if it moves the needle of the compass, then it's pretty much sure way that its watch is magnetized. So I looked online and wanted to find, and for quite some time now I wanted to buy myself a watch Demagnetizer, and I got one now, and I'm gonna demagnetize my watch, this one. But first of all, I'm gonna tell you a bit more how your watch can be demagnetized. If you keep it too close to the cell phone, too close to the electronic devices, if you keep it too close to the speakers, if you go to the airport, to the security checks, it can happen to everyone, to every watch, unless it has some super fancy magnetic protection like a Rolex Milgauss and watches like that. But it happened to me before on many watches, and I was always very careful with that. However, this little fella here that started all this hobby and everything else, my interest in automatic watches, got magnetized. It runs like a half an hour in 2 hours. Just works really. So I went to the Banggood and got myself a watch demagnetizer. Well, Banggood sent me this watch demagnetizer for review, along with the 20% discount code. So I guess you can say they are today's video sponsor. And I got another watch tool from them as well, but we'll leave that for another video. But this year, as my pressing concern, I want this watch to work. I want to make it right, so I want to demagnetize it, and I thought I share this with you. This is a super cheap tool, and it will be cheaper to have this and try to demagnetize your watch than for expensive pricey services online. And this tool, demagnetizer tool, is under 10 bucks. And if you apply that 20% discount code, it will get you even cheaper. And if you want to get one of these from Banggood with the discount code and everything, you will find that in the link in the video description. So click down, see more, and you will see all the links and everything else for it. But right now I'm going to demagnetize my watch, and this is really something that can happen to every watch, literally every day. So I think this is the tool that every watch enthusiast should have, and now I have it too. So here's the demagnetizer. You can see how it looks like. You can get this just over 5 bucks on Banggood with the discount code. And here you have it. Just you plug it into the socket. See, it works. And if you want to see if your watch is not magnetized or whatnot, You can check with the compass, the needle starts to dance around, or there are several phone apps, and I'm just gonna put it here. Watch, you should probably take the bracelet off, but I'm not gonna bother. Just press this, hold it for 4 seconds, and easily take it away. I'm gonna do this one more. Took it away. So that's it. The watch should be now demagnetized, and I will definitely check it and run it. If it failed, I will report to you, but I think you can pretty much see now that it works as it should. So I'm gonna wear it, and yeah, gonna wear it now. Wear it, my old trusty watch, the Seiko 5, my watch that really started it all. And now I kind of wish that there is more these watches to demagnetize. Anyways, guys, that's it. This is a watch, the Magnetizer tool. I got it from Banggood, today's video sponsor. So I got my watch demagnetized for cheaper than $10, and everything's good now. So thank you for watching, and links will be along with the discount code in the description box, so you might feel free to check that out. And I think that everyone needs to have this one, and not only when the watch is already magnetized, but before it gets magnetized, and it will get magnetized. There are magnets which are everywhere, and you reach to the fridge to get a cold beer, there's magnet, speakers, security checks, malls, scans in the mail, everything. So when you need it, I'm the type of guy who wants everything done immediately, so it's kind of restless. So now I'm feeling good because I have this one.